I am deeply honored to address you today at the 4th International Research Conference organized by St. Dominic College of Asia. I extend my heartfelt greetings to all the esteemed guests, fellow researchers, and participants gathered here today. AI started gaining popularity around early 2010s with the development of personalized learning platforms and educational applications powered by AI. And then during the pandemic, AI applications like ChatGPT and Nova became a popular tool for students, aiding them in finishing their module activities more easily. Its usage continues until today. Its uses ranges from providing information to writing assistance. However, as the saying goes, everything has its advantages and disadvantages. As students to continue to use AI, they are more likely to encounter ethical dilemmas. Greetings, panelists. I am Ralph Reynolds Madrana, a senior high school student at Landi National High School from Landi, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Mimaropa Region, Philippines, here to present my study entitled Exploring Ethical Dilemmas of the Selected STEM Students' Perspective on the Integration of Artificial Intelligence in Academic Learning. First of all, you may be wondering, what are ethical dilemmas? These are problems that individuals encounter in a certain context, in this study using AI, which can affect their values and principles. AI has its benefits, but it also comes with ethical dilemmas, and these ethical dilemmas can affect students' learning negatively by hindering critical thinking skills and make us over-reliant on AI. Thus, it is important to address this issue in order for students to use AI responsibly and to let them know the consequences of misusing AI. The main goal of this study is to know the ethical dilemmas of the students through their views in using AI. This is done by assessing their awareness. Are they aware of any ethical dilemmas? Attitude. How they view AI ethical dilemmas in using AI. Then finally, to formulate guidelines in order to create a set of rules to follow in order to use AI. Methodology. This study used a qualitative approach and a phenomenology design and was conducted at Landi National High School, Landi Santa Cruz Marinduque, Mimaropa Region, Philippines. The participants are the 5 selected grade 11 STEM students. They are chosen based on their grade level and access to AI through the internet. Due to the intense heat, the Department of Education changed the class schedules, which hindered the researchers' plan to conduct a face-to-face interview. So the interview was conducted online through social media platforms such as Zoom and Messenger. During the interview, the participants were protected by maintaining their anonymity and confidentiality by not disclosing their names and identities during the data collection analysis and publication of the study findings. Afterwards, it was collected and immediately subjected to analysis and evaluation, especially those who have undergone the process of coding and semantic analysis. Results and discussion. Table 1. Awareness of ethical dilemmas in AI integration. The categories are separated into 3. First, over-reliance. Students are dependent on using AI for their everyday school life. Privacy concern. Students worry that their personal data are not protected by AI. And then, reliability of AI. Students question whether data provided by AI might not be true or correct. Table 2. Attitude towards the ethical dilemmas in AI integration. This study found that students view AI in 2 ways, positive and negative. Students view AI negatively due to its ethical dilemmas, stating that it affects their morality in using it. On the other hand, they also view it positively because it still has beneficial benefits for them. Table 3. Guidelines and suggestions for the ethical use of AI. Furthermore, to address the issues of ethical dilemmas in using AI, the participants have given guidelines and suggestions in using AI. First is assistance. The participants suggest that ethical dilemmas are issues that needs to be addressed. Second is self-reliance. They also suggested that students should try to address their ethical dilemmas personally. Third is to use AI as a guide for learning so students can still learn while interacting with AI. Lastly is the regulatory use of AI. Students should use AI with regulations, and teachers should implement this by banning AI in certain activities like written works and research papers. In conclusion, students encounter ethical dilemmas in using AI, Most commonly is over-reliance, privacy concerns, and reliability of AI, and this can affect their learning experience and growth. Additionally, students view AI negatively and positively, meaning they view AI negatively for its ethical dilemmas, but still view it positively since it is beneficial for them. Finally, the study was able to gain suggestions and guidelines from the participants' answer. This can be utilized for this study's recommendation and can also be used in creating guidelines to use AI ethically. The researcher has formulated several recommendations for the students, teachers, and future researchers. First, students should be more aware of the disadvantages of using AI to minimize the possibility of students experiencing ethical dilemmas, and to use AI as a tool for learning and not to exploit it for finishing schoolworks. Second, teachers should ban the use of AI in certain activities like written literary works and learning activities to lessen their over-reliance on AI. Third, the school should create rules and regulation for students on using AI ethically in every classroom to ensure the safe and appropriate use of AI. Lastly, future researchers can use this as a guide for their own work related to this topic since this study highlighted the ethical dilemmas of using AI are about AI in education. Overall, it is evident that ethical dilemmas in using AI are one of the new relevant issues in students' education, and it is important to address this issue in order to ensure that students will be able to use AI ethically and appropriately. The following are the references used in this study. And that is all. Thank you.